As we move ahead, we are going to treat some past questions regarding this topic. Now, this one says, which of the following cells have no nucleus? A. Muscle. B. Nerve. C. Red blood cell. D. White blood cell. And the answer is red blood cell. Mature red blood cells don't have nucleus. Next question. The organelle which transports complex carbohydrates and protein is known as A. Endoplasmic reticulum. B. Golgi body. C. Lysosome. D. Mitochondria. And the answer is endoplasmic reticulum. This is the organelle that transports complex carbohydrates and proteins within the cell. Another question. Which of these is not found in an animal cell? A. Chloroplast. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi body. And D. Mitochondria. And the answer is A. Chloroplast. Plant cells have chloroplast, while animal cells don't have chloroplast because they don't do photosynthesis. And finally, chromosomes of monerans are found in the A. Nucleus, B. Nucleolus, C. Cytoplasm, D. Nucleoplasm. And the answer is B. Nucleolus. Why is it nucleolus? Monerans are prokaryotic organisms, meaning that they don't have a true nucleus. So as they don't have a true nucleus, their chromosomal matter, which is the matter that helps them to reciprocate, to replicate, is found in the nucleolus. And with that, we've come to the end of this lesson. See you next time.